What's going on, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm doing a unboxing and review of the Seehonor foldable hiking backpack. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, I got the backpack right here, and this is how it comes. Not too much packaging, and you're probably wondering why it's so small, and that's because it's a foldable laptop backpack, and I'm gonna see how to unfold it because I have no idea. So let me just open this up. It's a little tear right here. Whoops. Okay, toss that side. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so it comes folded, and it just unfolds like this, and then like this, and ooh, like that. Honestly, this is actually pretty cool. This would be great for hiking if you need to save space. Keeps everything compact. Kind of reminds me of like a tent you'd bring, and how it unfolds, stuff like that. I'm guessing a lot of hiking gear is like that. So let me just get into the compartments of this. Let's move this out slightly. One sec. Okay. So here it is, made by Seehonor. I did another one of their backpack reviews. I will put a card up in the top right if you guys want to go check that one out. That was an anti-theft backpack. This is more of a hiking backpack, so it doesn't have that anti-theft aesthetic. So right on the front, Seehonor has this cool design right here. Has a zipper that you can. Oh, it goes actually. Oh, splits it in half. Lots of space in there. I don't know if you can see. You just turn the flash on so you can see this. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of room in here actually. You can fit a lot of stuff. I feel like you could fit almost a football in here, maybe a soccer ball. Second main compartment right here. Also, this is very foldable material, but still feels premium. So you know, I'm actually not sure what this is made of, but I'm sure when I go on their website or the Amazon website for this, it'll say. So okay, so in here, another compartment, just more space basically. I'm guessing you take your like hiking essentials, stuff like that, food. I don't know what else you take for hiking. Toiletries maybe, stuff like that. I don't know if you could fit a tent in here, but probably not. Okay, so yeah, that's that compartment, not too much going on. Okay, now let's get into the main compartment. This is actually unzipped already, I don't know why. Let's get it right here. So here's the main compartment, guys. I do like black. I have a bias towards black products, but yeah. Okay, so here, main compartment. This actually has a lot of room, not gonna lie. A lot of room in here. Okay, so on this side, could you fit a laptop in here? I feel like you could fit a slim, maybe 13-inch laptop. I'm guessing it probably wouldn't hold mine, but mine's a 15-inch Dell. It's 1-inch thick, so I'm guessing this could probably fit like a MacBook Air Pro, something along those lines. Okay, so I think that's the gist of this backpack. Honestly, I think it's very straightforward. After this, I'm probably going to cut to an Amazon screen capture and actually like show you how this is advertised on their website and see if it like stacks up with what I'm actually seeing here. It's got a cup holder. Obviously, most backpacks should. Actually, the last one I reviewed didn't have a backpack holder, which is kind of strange. It's got two of them. So that's nice if you want to hold 2 water bottles. One for your buddy or something. Now, what is this? This I am confused about. Okay. I have no idea what this is. What the heck? I'm so confused right now. I know what this is. This, I'm guessing, is the way you actually can fold it up. I'm not sure how. I might try to figure this out and fold it up for you guys to just show you. But I think the whole thing can be folded up into this little bag right here, which is pretty neat. So we'll see if that happens. Also straps. Everything's pretty thin. Obviously, if you want a foldable backpack, everything has to be pretty thin. But yeah, I say this gets the job done if you want to go hiking or camping. You can fit a ton of stuff in here, and this folds up really nicely. Adjustable straps, stuff like that. Oh, most backpacks don't have this, but I think this is good for camping so it doesn't fall off if you're like climbing a hill or something, climbing some rocks. You don't want your backpack falling off the cliff. Yeah. I go hiking sometimes, but not just for the day. I don't usually stay overnight, so I probably won't be needing this, but yeah. I'm gonna try to fit this in here, and if I can't, I'll probably cut to the Amazon website, and I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so I just finally figured out how to do it. This was not very easy. It took me actually many attempts, but I finally figured it out. It's basically like, I'll show you when I'm on their website, or on Amazon's website, but it's basically you're folding it inside out of itself, if that makes any sense. You're basically folding up the contents of the backpack and just kind of like folding it into this pouch. I'll show you on the diagram, so let's get to that. Okay, so I'm currently on Seehonor's website, and I'm just gonna scroll down and see what they actually advertise this as. Hope you guys can hear me pretty clearly. Using a headset mic to record this. So, okay, so this retails for around $17.99. Has Amazon Prime. As you can see, it's made by Seehonor, and it's a hiking backpack. So we go here. Basically show you it's water resistant and tear resistant, made of nylon. It's got heavy duty zippers and reflective straps to keep you safe in the morning. I don't know what that means. 2 sides for drinks, as I already mentioned. Here are the dimensions, if you guys care about that. And this is how you fold it. I followed this process. If you guys are struggling, I can't really help you because it's hard to explain, but just try your best. Follow these instructions, and then once you get to this part, just kind of like fold it in on itself into the bag. Because there's no opening, actually. There's no opening right there. It's kind of like you're just turning it inside out, if that makes sense. And then you get that. Okay, so here we go. Large capacity. It did have a large capacity, I'll give it that. So you can fit a lot of stuff in here. It's definitely versatile. How many reviews does this have right now? I don't think this has any reviews, so I'm probably going to be the first. Okay, scroll down. Here are the weight, capacity, statistics. So yeah, this is basically what most backpacks are advertised as. They can't tear, heavy duty zippers, lots of pockets, stuff like that. Breathable, adjustable, shoulder straps. Yep. So yeah. And here's some questions. So basically that's going to be it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave a link to this product down in the description. And if you want to support the channel, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications, and go check out my affiliate links and buy something on Amazon using those links to help support the channel. And if you guys have any suggestions on what you want to see in the future for videos, just let me know. That's been Life Made Easy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torn for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Lincoln feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.